Yeah, let me kill this beat. I got all these junkies, a nigga hating on me. I smoke these niggas like a blunt of kush on me. You faggot niggas on me while I'm counting up the brick. And y'all niggas leaking nigga like your motherfucking edges. The realest of the gang, yeah, they call me Unchained. I'm the real trap king. You other niggas like run up to my clique, nigga. Then you see the chopper spray. I hit up you niggas like I'm child support, nigga. You click these bitches and they ain't real niggas, and I'm fucking all your bitches. Your bitch give me head and she give me all the cash. And yeah, I want the bread. I'm the realest of the game. You other niggas lame. Throw up north and the west side. Nigga, I'm from both sides. Nigga try to kill me, the last nigga fucking die. You can't play with the king in this bitch. I be killing in this bitch. I be spraying on your clique. How you running at the trailer? By 23, nigga, don't play with me. Beast Mode OG. All these niggas is straight hoe niggas. Got so much money, call me Microsoft nigga. I am a boss. Catch me in the hood. I never close nigga like the chick cashing nigga. I'm open on holidays, nigga. I'm cooking up the dope on the scale with the figures. I'm in the baddest room. I'm with the baddest bitches. Red bone bitches make them scrub in the room. I hit these hoes, nigga. So many red bones. Them niggas in the hood think I'm a blood home. Just a real nigga count petty on these niggas. And niggas, they be rushing they devils and on these niggas. I get money, nigga, and I ain't sold my soul. I'm a beast mode, nigga. Y'all niggas hoes.